What are you taking nasty? I don't know what time it is. I don't see where he is. I don't really know where he is. But guess what? Like, share, and subscribe. Because guess what? We outside. And guess what I have with me? Yeah. So yeah, our first trip to Puerto Rico. Just tune in, man. This is episode what? Of Puerto Rico. Tune in. Let's go.
You don't gotta be in love to write a love song. You don't gotta be in pain to write a heartbreak. Can't get these stars to myself cause I might break. God forbid if I let the world today. The things that I gotta say. The things that I got to say. Zook change, lively up a few things. I'm in love with the world and what it brings. I can say I'm in pain cause this heart don't break. Can't say I'm in love cause it ain't for me. Yes, this heart don't quit for no one, for nothing except for the music and the rhythm I'm choosing. Got me drunk off the vibes and I don't drink.
Shut on him. But yeah, we're getting ready to board our flight soon, so stay tuned. Like I say once again, like, share, and subscribe. Let's at least get 1,000 views, 1,000 likes, something. But I can see when I land.
Grab a bottle of wine, me darling. We dancing till the sun come out at 5 in the morning. Just you and me in the room empty, my girl, how you want it.
But to board this plane now, man, I don't know time. But the bus, yeah, I haven't. I don't know how we do this time, man. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe, man. Wow.
You belong on top of plate. That plate, baby, yes. Because that thing, it gets some shape. It looking like. First time he let me get a taste. What? Only big man could relate. Watch your girl, ain't nothing safe.
Le recomendamos que se mantenga tal hasta que la ayuda llegue disponible. Para la información sobre conexión y la recogida de maletas, puedes checar los monitores de aeropuertos y la aplicación gratuita de JetBlue. Esperamos que hayan disfrutado de la experiencia de JetBlue el día de hoy. Si decide una encuesta sobre su correo electrónico, nos encantaría escuchar su opinión sincera. En nombre de JetBlue, la Aerolínea de Nueva York, con la tripulación en Paz, Nueva York, les damos las gracias a todos por elegirnos el día de hoy. Y para aquellos que son de la isla de San Juan, queremos decir que lo primero es decir bienvenido a casa. Para recoger sus maletas, carrusel número 2, para sus maletas facturadas, carrusel número 2 para sus maletas facturadas. Bienvenidos a San Juan, Puerto Rico.
And we reach.
Please welcome to check out your seat and your seatbelt sign before you press islands, passports, residents. When the time is located, you once you get out of here in San Juan, once you step off the aircraft, and you'll be able to come back. Also, we kindly ask, please, if you see.
So yeah, chat we just reached. Got to be a vibe. Yeah, we are live. And it's a good vibe. Yeah, man. I don't know how we do this thing, man, so keep it cool, keep it casual. And we're here. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. I almost went flying just now. Oh, I almost went flying just now, walk past people that say squeeze us. You let me tell you how I almost fall on the people that my elevator stairs. So, Jesus Christ. You know it is you live in Thomas and Thomas don't have these type of things. Elevator stairs, escalator. Elevator stairs, not escalator, elevator stairs, okay? Now an escalator. Yeah, so I try, I count to 3. I end up skipping 2. And I just went straight down the stairs, turning into stairs, everything. So that way I go crazy. But we're good. We reach. We're here. Yeah, let's get the party started, man. I don't know what time it is. Like, share, subscribe, man. Boom. So yeah, man, chat. We're here going toward our rental right now. I really don't know if I could hear me, but hopefully I could hear me. But yeah, I head in to go get a rental and then probably get something to eat. And yeah, see what happens from there, man. We're gonna pick up the rental now, right? Yeah, we're going to the thing to pick up our car. The rental place to pick up our car and we're gonna vibe, just vibe and cool, man. Okay, so okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You got follow them? Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. Man, outside was hot, are you? But yeah, wait.
Use the left lane to turn onto Cayenne.
Yeah, it's right there.
At the lights, use the right lane to turn onto Avenida Isla Verde and turn right.
Ooh, that night to nasty. These hotels?
Yeah, some of them is houses. They have houses on the place.
I mentioned we here in Taco Bell right now. We can check it out. Check out what kind of pizza man get, man. What you getting?
That's how you should do it. I probably don't have burrito.
I'm probably going to get number 14.
They have nachos.
Me want no nachos. I think you might get number 14. It shot at number 14, right? Alright, chat. So we just got all the food from Taco Bell. We was gonna stay here and eat, but now we're gonna go back to the hotel and eat. Kind of got, you know, adjust ourselves a little bit, get comfortable a little bit. Damn! We got right into it to check. I am not afraid of change. I'm not afraid of change. I'm not afraid to be alone. I'm not afraid to adjust.
You saw we don't flick our lights? Like,
Yeah.
we flick your lights.
True.
When you go to that place,
See that right? See that right? Exactly. 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 That's cap. Look at that drift from this mother's cut time, son. Look at that. That's what you call bend, son. She ain't bending, she bending then. Look at that drift from this whole thing here, cuz. Look at that drift. We drifting. Yeah. No drifting. What the heck? Look at that drift, right? And I want to drive up there and drive over the ramp, the grass, and land over here in the gutter and keep going to drive. Hey man, sick. So yeah, after a long hour and a half drive to our hotel, we finally made it.